So, the integration of Internet of Things technology in the maritime sector presents a transformative opportunity to enhance operational efficiency, safety, and customer service. As we have explored, the adoption of IoT can address significant challenges faced by ports such as congestion and inefficiency, while also promoting environmental sustainability through energy efficient practices. The, the potential benefits, including improved decision making, real time analytics, and increased visibility across the supply chain, underscore the importance of embracing these innovations. By fostering collaborations between the public and private sectors and investing in the necessary infrastructure and skilled personnel, we can pave the way for a more connected and sustainable maritime industry that not only meets the demands of today but also prepares for the challenges of tomorrow.